You think I'm stuck? I'm not stuck. I'm just doing another experiment. I have the microphone actually clipped just underneath on the inside of my shirt, so it hopefully won't get beard noise. But I'm just wondering how it works. I mean, it is down there, pretty close. It's not to my mouth, but it's certainly close to my throat. I really need to get a hat on. I do, but I don't see one handy. Not that fits. Oh, wait, no. This is another experiment. Don't pull the phone down. Howdy. I don't wear this hat very often. Actually, hardly ever. And I suppose if I did, I could, actually. I don't like this thing down here. Ooh. I suppose what I could do, with great care. Gee, I wonder if I can get an extension cable for this thing. But anyway, I suppose with great care, I could clip this on here and it'll be real close. Mind you, I'd have the wire hanging around here, but there are worse things than that. It does clip on very well to this hat. Maybe that would be good, but once again, I gotta be careful not to turn. Anyway, I think now I need to look for an extension cable, because this could be workable, this could be fine, and actually if I'm just talking like this, I'm sure it is fine. But at a more of a distance, there could be trouble. So, back to the drawing board, back to the internet, until of course the wireless mics appear. I wonder if there's a way to have more than one of these connected. Probably not. I know with the wireless things that I just ordered, there actually are two microphones, and supposedly they will together join up with the thing. And I did save the microphone I had before. Maybe it will connect. It probably won't. It's probably toast, but I mean, parts are good. If nothing else, I can steal the little spit cover off. And you know, I've often wondered, because this thing has a little cover on it, does that muffle the sound? Does it make it, like, it does look kind of directional anyway. I just don't know. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for coming. Always nice to see you down here in the ranch here. And I will continue to try and bring you the best sound possible. Yeah. I don't like yelling. I don't like screaming. I like to stay calm as the soldering iron burns into my flesh, or a machine that I had working and then now doesn't work. I can just look at it, shake my head a little and say, bother, bother, bother. Anyway, I'm glad these things have arrived. I suppose I should test all three, and I suppose I will, but not at this juncture. Right now, I've got all kinds of things to do, and I gotta go to sleep, and I think Andrew and I might go on a road trip. But don't worry, we won't be doing any wrestling, and we won't be looking for any steers or farm implements or anything like that. Nope, 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 nope. Anyway, I do like this hat. Found it at, wait for it, a thrift store. And now I know, absolutely positively, when I have a lot of hair, just a second, I need a hat that it's either a 61 or a 7 and 5/8. That's it. And I suppose, even if I didn't have a lot of hair, that would be good. Because I have another, like, kind of yeehaw cowboy hat over here. It doesn't really fit, and it doesn't really look good. It just doesn't. But I keep it because maybe one day I'll be doing some photography stuff and it'll come in handy. Possibly. Anyway, thanks for being here as I continue to test the microphones. There's the wire. But if I sit like this, mind you, at this range, I'm so close to the microphone. Do I need a microphone? Do I? The big test will come when I want to do a long shot. And I'll put the microphone maybe on the table close by or something. Or maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'll put it on that dangly camera holding thing that I really don't like. Maybe. Or, up above me here, I have a couple of lamps that I can move around. They kind of are supposed to mount on a desk. But if I did sort of pull one down a little more, and whether I had the light on or not, maybe I could put the microphone on there and maybe that would help. I don't know. I will experiment. Anyway, thanks for being here. And I hope you can hear me better from now on. Always a pleasure. Oh, I can do this now. Good night. Good day. Oh yeah, that really moves. Hang on. Can be mysterious. Yes. Like in The Outlaw Josie Wales, there's a man in the bar sitting, and there's just a little bit of light on him. And he just looks up enough, and you can see some of his face and see his eyes and know that that's him. That's the guy. And then it goes back down. Bye for now.